Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect the 5%ers to MetaTrader 5. It's very easy. Now once you are on their website, I want you to scroll all the way down here until you see your login information. Okay, so I'll copy the login ID. Just click on this to copy it. As you can see, it's copied successfully. We'll open MetaTrader 5, come to the top left and click on File, and then click on Open an Account. And here we are going to search for the company. Okay, so search here for 5%. Okay, and we are going to find this company, the 5% Online Limited. So go ahead and click on Next. And now we are able to either open a real account or we can connect with an existing trade account. So I'll just connect with the existing one. So that is our login ID. I'll take this password right here and let's make sure the server is the same. Okay, there we go. Right, this is the one, as you can see, the same server. And now we'll just go ahead and click on finish. And as you can see, we will get connected. There you go. We are now connected. Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.